In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Brit Financial credit card account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in britfinancial.com. Press enter. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Brit Financial. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to sign into your credit card account, what you have to do is simply click on this option sign in that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find the options like credit cards, savings, loans, business sign in. Simply click on this option credit cards. Once you do that, you'll be led to the credit cards interface. You'll be able to sign in to your specific credit card account. You'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to see the frequently searched credit cards. You can simply click on one of them, or you can also search for the credit card. Click on the field of credit card. Now what you have to do is enter the credit card name over here. Once you do that, you'll also be able to see the result. Click on the result of your choice. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see the available credit card. Simply click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to the new interface. From here, you'll be able to sign in to that specific credit card account. Simply click on this option sign in. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. All you have to do is enter your username and password. Click on the field of username and enter the username over here. Similarly, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on this option forgot username or password and you'll be able to recover them. After you enter the credentials, check on this box remember me that you can see on the screen if you want this browser to remember you. Now what you have to do is click on this option sign in that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into that specific credit card account. So that is how you log in with Financial credit card account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.